Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change all of our interior lighting to LEDs in the Sportage. Alrighty, so the first area that we're going to work on is the driver and passenger side front reading lights. You can take just a small flathead screwdriver or a detail prying tool, and you're going to stick it down here towards the bottom of this piece of the light housing, and then just kind of rock it around, and you'll see that one side kind of pops out. Either side will work. You don't have to start with the inside one first, but then you're going to pull that down once these two little tabs have released from up here. So then we have got access to our light bulb. It should be just an easy pull out. Make sure that these have been off for a little while because these halogen lights do get pretty hot, so you don't want to burn your fingers. So again, you'll just pull that straight out. And then we have got a T10 crisp white LED that we're going to put right back in there. So just make sure that you look and see which way the little slot is going so that you can see how you're supposed to plug the light in. Make sure it seats firmly in there, and then to test it before putting the plastic piece back, you can press this little button right here and check to see that we've got connectivity. And then putting the plastic housing back is just as simple. You're going to feed this side that's closest to you in first, and then just push back up in there. And there you go, that one is LED. To access the bulb for this rear dome lamp, we're just going to take our tool and kind of insert it towards the back corners. Well, I guess they would be the front corners because that's towards the front of the car. And you're just going to kind of work it in there, and then you'll see it kind of start to come out, and that'll just pop right off. But basically those two tabs are going to release, and then you'll be able to take off the whole cover. Again, make sure that you've had this light off for a little bit because it's going to be hot to the touch, but you should just be able to grab right in the middle and have it release. I forget exactly what the name of these lights are, but I will be leaving a link in the description for them. You should be able to just set that right back up in there where those connectors are, and then we can press our button to make sure that it works. And then kind of a reverse, we're going to put these tabs in towards the front first, and then just kind of work the others back up in there. And yeah, it'll be a little crunchy, but it's all right. Everything goes back, and now we've got LED there. Alrighty, and our last light is back here in the trunk for our cargo. You can take your pry tool and you're just going to insert it kind of at this top edge, and then you'll be able to pop the whole housing out. And then what you're going to do is pinch up here at the top, and you'll be able to remove this connector, which will turn the light off. And then you'll see that there are a couple of little plastic tabs. You're just going to take your pry tool, put that under this one where the connector was, and you should be able to pop the housing out. And again, this one is going to be hot. I'm actually going to wait for a few seconds, but we're going to pop that out and then pop the same type on these little cylinder lights in there. Alrighty, we've let that cool down a little bit, so we should just be able to reach in there and pry it out of those little connectors, and then put our new LED one right in there, and we'll make sure that it's all pointing outwards. Then we're going to take the rest of the plastic housing, make sure that we've got the right side going to the other side. There we go. Then we're going to take the connector and just plug it right back in, and the light should come on. Then the side with the connector is going to go down back inside of the hole, and then you can just pop it back in there. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving links for all of these bulbs down in the description below if you want to go ahead and do this to your car. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.